Hengxing Jinqiao promote progress of the industry with scientific and technological innovation. Xuzhou Hengxing Jinqiao Machinery Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech, 30 enterprise approved by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, which specialize in research and development, production, sales, export, and service of special vehicles. Our company has 6 business divisions, including Rotary Drilling Rig Calibar Division, Pile Driver Division, Aerial Work Platform Vehicle Division, Maintenance Vehicle Division, International Trade Division, and Overseas Division. Product range covers rotary drilling rig calibar, guardrail pile driver, solar pile driver, guardrail emergency repair vehicle, mini excavator, ladder loading vehicle, aerial work vehicle, aerial work platform, anti-collision buffer vehicle, and other special equipment. Our company was founded in 2008 after years of hard work and struggle. Now we have a production workshop of 40,000 square meters, a high-standard factory building of 20,000 square meters, and a modern office building of 4,000 square meters in Xuzhou High-Tech Industrial Development Zone. In order to ensure that the technology continues to lead the industry, the company is fully promoting the implementation of standards. Our products have passed the EU CE certification, National Environmental Protection Certification, and China Quality Certification Center Product Mandatory CCC certification. Currently, we have 52 independent patents, 3 invention patents, and 34 utility model patents. In terms of management, we strictly implement the ISO 9001 standard management and successively adopt ERP, CRM, and other management software. Moreover, we regularly hire experts in management, technology, quality, person, and finance to give lessons and guidance. Keep improving our management. Our company already joined the Xuzhou Standardization Association, China Construction Machinery Pile Workers Association, Xuzhou Mechanical Engineering Society, and other industry authoritative organizations, and has carried out extensive cooperation with China University of Mining and Technology, Xuzhou Institute of Engineering, and other institutions. We successively been recognized as Xuzhou Engineering Technology Research Center, Xuzhou Industrial Design Center, Jiangsu Industrial Design Center. The establishment of these high-tech research centers provides a strong guarantee for the company's high-quality development. Over the years, relying on its stable product quality professional marketing team based on 22 domestic offices and many service outlets, powerful foreign agency and service system, our company has won wide recognition and praise from many customers both home and abroad. Xuzhou Hengxing Jinqiao Company has been always adhering to the concept of letting talents grow in practice, encouraging employees to surpass themselves constantly in the team and realize their dreams. Over the years, Hengxing Jinqiao Company has made every effort to promote technological innovation and product optimization, and continues to practice the mission of promote progress of the industry with scientific and technological innovation. Strictly abide by the core values of customer first, self-criticism, embrace change, keep striving. Strictly abide by the core values of customer first, self-criticism, embrace change, keep striving. Our vision is that the company's loyal customers cover 100 countries and 2,000 cities around the world. Let more employees of the company become partners, gathering a group of affectionate persons, do a valuable and meaningful thing together. Welcome to join Hengxing Jinqiao team. Welcome customers from home and abroad. We are aiming at a win-win cooperation.